My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below. But this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you. And now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
I was just trying to understand custom values more. When I onboard a new client, I just want to make sure that I don't really want to press too many buttons on the website. I just want to have the websites ready for the custom values to drop in there. So that was really that was my biggest question I've had.
Do you have like a template website
Yeah.
pulled up? I can show you how to fill them in and
All
kind
right.
of how it
Cool.
works. I think that'd probably be the best way to show you.
All right. Let me see here. I think it's this one. I started for my outreach. I'm trying a new method of um, finding people through the ads, Facebook ads, and just sending them like a 30-second Loom video
Meaning you like look for people who are running ads.
who are running ads. Yeah.
Okay. Dude, I like it. Cause there was one guy, did you ever meet that guy who's from like France or something? He got like 50 clients and that was he used that same strategy and he got a bunch of website clients from it.
Really?
Yeah, did you not hear?
I
Is that not where you got the idea from?
um I I mean I not that specifically. I don't remember that one specifically, but
It's like this
um
French dude. Yeah, he's French dude. I can't remember his name. He's in our community though, and
okay.
he has like over 50 clients, and that's his exact strategy. He goes looks for people who are
Dude.
already spending money on advertising, whether it's
Yeah.
Facebook ads, Google ads, but they still have like a terrible website. You know, they're running
Yeah.
ads, but he can tell they're people that are like trying ads for the first time. So he's
Yeah.
like exactly what you're doing though. That's a really good strategy and it
That's
worked
awesome.
extremely well for him. All right, so looks like so you're trusted local and then location service experts. So that'd be one example right there in like your headline on the website. That's where you could use a custom value.
Okay.
And so I'm trying to see if like double click on that text right there, like highlight it, and then you'll see right there. Well, it disappeared, but whenever you had highlighted it, there was like a little option where you could do bold, italicized, all that stuff. See that? Click the little one that's that one right there. The one that has like a square with a line through it to the left of that one right there. That's the
Oh.
custom values. And then you can
Oh.
do account because the account will be whatever sub account you're in, and then the account name will be the name of that business. And so you paste that in there
Oh.
real fast, and then you'll see it'll create some sort of like little code with the little squigglies on the end. Yeah, location dot names right there. It'll paste in the name of the
Oh.
business,
Game over. All right.
and that's how you do them. And you just go through the site. Anytime you find a place like your next one down there, helping homeowners with reliable, and then service name. Um, to get service, there are some that can pull directly from the sub account details under like the profile tab, but like
Okay.
service, for example, isn't one of those. So real quick,
Okay.
let's go save this at the top, or you can back out and now that you know how to do it, either way. I just want to show you like where
I'll
these are
say
pulling from. So if you go back out of the website builder and then go down to settings at the bottom left,
internet's a little slow.
you're all good.
There we go. Okay. Settings,
And then
custom.
right here, business profile, this tab that we're
Oh.
in right now, the friendly business name is where that information pulled from that one that we just added. Well,
Oh, okay.
because that's
Location.
the sub account name, right? It's for you, this is your sub account. But when it's in your client sub
Right.
account,
Like, yeah, I'm doing like This is my actual client. Here's Texas Environments Company.
Perfect. So
They're land.
that's what would paste in right there on the live preview of the site. Whenever somebody sees the site live, it would say Texas Environment Company right there where you use that custom value. So this is where a
Okay.
lot of the custom values will pull from. The business phone number right there, it'll pull in that
Okay. Wow.
one. The niche landscaper. So under the business niche, you could use that custom value. Um, and it could paste in landscaper there. But like I said, some of these are going to pull from
Dang.
here,
Okay.
but then you can go and create and update your own custom value. So if you go down to the custom, yeah, right there.
In their in So yeah, this is one of the questions I had in their own sub account, right? Or would this be like a global thing that could basically copy and paste in each sub account?
This would be, you do have to update them in their own sub account.
Okay. Okay.
You can have
Cool.
a snapshot that has these pre-built custom values right here already built, but you do have to go to the value portion at the very far right there, and you have to
Right here.
update it per client. So what you can do here, so let's create one real fast. Let's say
Okay.
we want to add one for, let's call it service one. So let's say a landscaper offers multiple different services, right? And so
Right.
we need a custom value so that the website can populate. Maybe on one page, we talk about service number one, which is, let's say it's lawn care or something. So
Right.
underneath the value portion, you would type in lawn care because that's what will
Oh, and that
actually,
okay.
you can go back and edit it. You're good. And so, yeah, just you have it here for each client, but then you just have to go and fill them in. And if you fill them in here, it'll automatically populate all of them on the website.
Oh my gosh.
And so
All
now
right.
you can
Yeah.
use this custom value on one of your, on one of your website pages, and you can say, sir, use the custom value service dot one with the squigglies around it, and it'll paste it. And that's the key right there. It'll be custom underscore value dot services underscore one. That's the exact thing you can copy right here, or you can just pull it how we did when we were in the website builder and
Yeah.
then you can paste that in. So you do have to do a little bit of work for some of these more custom ones, but for the general ones like business name, business phone number, address, all that stuff can pull in directly from the business profile settings. But then
Yeah.
there's some little custom ones you can add here, and then it will just fully update the website once you've done that, as long as you have those custom value keys on the site.
So I guess the best thing to do would be to build it all out in a snapshot first,
With
like
all,
that.
yeah, create all the custom value names over there on the left. And then you can snapshot that, paste it into every client's account, and then all you have to do is go fill in the values for them once you've onboarded them. If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.